Welcome to our channel. If you're traveling from Haneda Airport to central Tokyo, the airport limousine bus is a comfortable and convenient option. It takes you directly to major hotels and train stations, so there's no need to worry about making transfers with heavy luggage. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to take the limousine bus from Haneda's Terminal 3 to Shinjuku. Whether you're heading to a hotel, shopping, or exploring the city, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Most international flights to Haneda Airport arrive at Terminal 3. When you enter the arrival lobby of Terminal 3, you'll see the bus ticket counter on your left, where you can purchase tickets. However, in this video, we'll show you how to buy a ticket using the vending machine. Simply follow the directional signs for bus, and you'll arrive at the vending machine area. At Haneda Airport, various bus companies provide services to destinations throughout Tokyo and nearby areas. You'll find two types of ticket vending machines, blue and orange, each representing a different company. To purchase a ticket for Shinjuku, you'll use the orange vending machine. Now, let's walk you through the process step by step. First, start by selecting your preferred language on the screen. Then, for this trip, select Central Tokyo. On the next screen, choose Ikebukuro Shinjuku, and then select Shinjuku area. This will display several destination options, including direct routes to hotels. You might notice a destination labeled Shinjuku Station, Keio Department Store. This refers to a bus stop near the west exit of Shinjuku Station. If you're heading to the west exit, this is your choice. For today's trip, we'll take Shinjuku Expressway Bus Terminal, also known as Bus to Shinjuku, which is the main terminal for long-distance buses and connects to JR Shinjuku Station. Next, choose the number of adult and child tickets you need. Once you've made your selection, tap Confirm. You'll then see a list of available buses with departure times. Pick the bus that best fits your schedule. A confirmation screen will appear with the destination, departure time, number of tickets, and total price. If everything looks correct, press Confirm. For payment, you'll have three options: transportation IC card, cash, or credit card. In this video, you'll see how to pay with cash. Finally, insert your cash, and once the payment is complete, your ticket will be printed. Don't forget to take your ticket from the machine. This is the bus ticket. As you can see, the departure point is Haneda Airport Terminal 3, leading from bus stop number 3 at 4 p.m. The destination is the Shinjuku Expressway Bus Terminal. Let's head to the boarding area. To get to the boarding area, you'll need to head downstairs. Just follow the signs that say bus to reach your designated boarding area. You can either take the elevator or use the escalator, depending on your preference. When you arrive at the designated bus stop, check the display for your bus's departure time and destination. Make sure to line up near the display. Here comes your bus. Check the destination displayed on the side of the bus to confirm it's the right one. If you have large luggage, you can hand it over to the staff. They will store it in the luggage compartment for you. Show your ticket to the staff as you board. Most seats are not assigned, so you can choose any available seat and get comfortable for the ride. However, please note that there are designated priority seats reserved for passengers who require special assistance. The bus is now departing, so sit back and enjoy the ride. The journey from Haneda Airport Terminal 3 to Shinjuku Expressway Bus Terminal typically takes about 50 minutes to an hour, though travel time may vary depending on traffic conditions. Free Wi-Fi is available on the bus, so you can stay connected during your ride. We've arrived at the Shinjuku Expressway Bus Terminal. Before you leave, don't forget to collect your luggage from the bus's luggage compartment. On this floor, you'll find the Tokyo Tourist Information Center, where you can get assistance or travel advice if needed. If you're continuing your journey, just follow the signs for public transportation options, such as trains or buses. The taxi stand is conveniently located on the same floor for quick access. For JR Shinjuku Station, head downstairs, and you'll be connected to one of the busiest railway stations in the world. Now you know how to get to Shinjuku from Haneda Airport by bus. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. If you're taking the monorail instead, we've linked our step-by-step guide in the description. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time in Tokyo.